Hello, I'm Andrew. Today, we're going to look at why and how to remove classes and IDs from your email campaign HTML after inlining your CSS. First, let's define what classes and IDs are in HTML. Classes are attributes used to apply the same CSS styles to multiple elements, creating a consistent look across your email. IDs, on the other hand, are unique identifiers for applying specific styles or facilitating JavaScript interactions to single elements. But here's the key point. Once you've inlined your CSS, classes and IDs become redundant. Their presence could bloat your email's code and slow downloading times. Plus, they could inadvertently trigger spam filters. Think about IDs like Buy Now button and classes named Add Content. Removing these identifiers not only streamlines your code, but also eliminates unnecessary spam flags. At Campaign Cleaner, we provide a feature that effortlessly strips away these excess attributes. We recommend keeping this feature active for clean, efficient email code. Let's jump into Clean Campaign, where I have an email ready for this demonstration. Notice the ID, Buy Now button, and the class, Add Content. With our tools setting enabled, one click on Clean Campaign is all it takes. And voila, the class and ID have been removed from the HTML. In summary, removing unnecessary HTML attributes like classes and IDs after inlining your CSS results in lighter emails. This leads to faster loading times and better performance across all email providers.